powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Hey, you looking at coffee machines too? I'm trying to decide between the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo, the renewed one, and the Magnifica Evo Next.
Oh yeah, I saw. The next one seems pretty slick. What's got you torn?
Well, the renewed Evo is cheaper, obviously. But the Next has some features that are tempting. Both have the conical burr grinder with 13 settings, which is a must-have for me.
Definitely. Freshly ground beans are the only way to go. So what else is different?
The renewed Evo has 6 one-touch recipes, which is decent. Espresso, coffee, Americano, iced coffee, long, and steam. The Next, though, boasts 13. Includes latte and cappuccino with a latte crema system.
That latte crema system is a big selling point. Does the renewed one have an automatic milk frother?
No, it has a traditional milk frother, which is fine, I guess, but the automatic system on the Next is supposedly amazing for consistent foam, even with milk alternatives. Plus, the Next has user profiles, 3 of them. That's actually great for my family.
Yeah, that's handy. What about the display?
The renewed Evo has a color touch display, but the Next has a 2.4 inches TFT color screen. Seems a bit more advanced, more colorful, and with soft touch buttons. Makes it easier to navigate the 13 recipes, I guess.
Makes sense. Is there a big size difference?
Not really. They're both around the same size and weight. The Next is slightly heavier at 21.2 pounds compared to the renewed Evo's 20.8. Dimensions are nearly identical too.
Okay, so it's mainly about the extra features and the condition. New versus renewed. What's the price difference looking like?
Huge. The Next is $799.95 on sale. Originally, $999.95, while the renewed Evo, I saw it listed around $500. A big consideration.
That's a significant jump. Is the Next worth the extra $300?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. The Next has video and the #1 bestseller badge in Super-Automatic Espresso Machines. The renewed one does not. It comes down to whether those extra recipes, the latte crema system, and the user profiles are worth the cost.
Tough call. If you make lattes and cappuccinos a lot, that latte crema system might pay for itself in convenience alone, and those user profiles, decisions.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.